Hey little sloths, it's me, Nick Avocado. We're back home with a seafood boil, we're home. Hello, we're back home. Shooby-doo, we're home. Hello, and this is hot and steamy, cause we're eating for the first time in a long time. Beloved sauce seafood boil. Yay! Okay, should I do show tunes on Broadway? Yes, maybe no. Actually, my 4th grade teacher said, I will see you on Broadway one day. I know I've told that story before, but I feel so good because I went out and I exercised today. You guys, I know. Take care of my health. Take care of this body, this sanctuary, a temple. Well, I like my temple to be full of cheeseburgers and french fries. Bye. My temple doesn't need to be no clean. I actually feel really happy when it's messy. I love chaos. But we are going to take good care of our temple today because today we are eating seafood, which is healthy. And we're using Bloveslife's Smackalicious seafood sauce, which is spicy, and I know it's a lot of butter, but hey, I think butter, if you had to compare that to ramen noodles, compare that to a bunch of empty carbs and breads and pastas, I think the butter's a lot better. It has vitamins, it's lower in carbs, it has no carbs, you know what I mean? Like, this is a good meal, and it helps you absorb some fat-soluble vitamins. It's a good thing. Actually, a lot of people, like, lose a lot of weight eating butter. Look at me, trying to justify what I'm doing. I know, honey, I know. Keep justifying my diet. But listen, I'm having fun, and I'm not a health food channel. So if this triggers you, where I eat a lot of food, then don't watch me. Okay, go watch someone else eat salads. Yay. I can't name someone who does that, but why don't you be the first? So, I'm a shady bossy boo. Today, look out the way. No, I'm actually feeling really happy. Let's put the comedy aside. Is that comedy? I'm trying. Let's put that all aside because today I went for a nice 1.5 hour walk in the hot, blazing sun. And I walked all up and down the streets, all up and down the sidewalk, around the buildings, around everything. Hi ho, hippie ho. Shout out to the 2 people who took photos with me. Hi guys, thank you for coming up and saying hi. Well, yeah, so I exercised and have a lot of endorphins and I'm ready to feast. So, yay! And thank you to everyone who left nice comments yesterday on my celebration for 200K subs on this channel. This is my brand new channel. In case you haven't noticed, this is Nikocado. Nikocado, not Nick. Oh, so number 3. This is number 3, Nikocado. I can't even say my name anymore without getting flagged. It's terrible. But anyways, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're doing a seafood boil. We have red lobster. Oh no, we don't have lobster. We have king crab legs. We have some deep fried shrimp. We have some deep fried crab cakes. We have a huge Dungeness crab, which I haven't had forever and I forget how to eat it, so don't make fun of me, but we're gonna do it. It's gonna be funny. I love scallops. We got some jumbo shrimp. We got some potatoes. We ran out of corn, and I don't feel like getting in the car just to get corn, so we don't have that. But we're gonna make some Blove sauce to dip everything in, and maybe I'll even have some rice noodles for some carbs. I know, I just said low carb, but if I have no carbs, I also feel funny. Low carbs, but not no carbs. There's a difference. So, without further ado, let me get everything set up. I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for hanging out with me. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, yeah. Oh, who sent me a... someone sent me an email and it's not very nice. I'm like, wow, did she just go there? And yes, everyone's waiting for that exposing video. And guess what? I'm gonna do it very, 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 very nicely and very, very, very kindly and respectfully because I have to be careful with this one. Some people might figure it out. And listen, this is anonymous. Okay, it's anonymous complaints I have. But I can't even show receipts, which is really sad, but oh well. People will understand why, if they understand why. If they don't, they don't. This is just for me to get it off my chest, and for my viewers who know, who I think they might know that I no longer support them. So, let me get everything set up, and then we're gonna begin the show. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. I'm so excited. Seafood, here we go. Bam! Wow, seafood boil. Seafood boil. Look at these beautiful king crab legs. Oh, so beautiful and clean. And I cooked them in butter and garlic, and we're gonna dip them in the sauce. Also, cheers. Here's my ice cubes. And this here is lemon water, lemon infused, but it's not infused, it's just lemonade without the sugar. Oh, I am so excited. We are feasting. Oh, and we have special treats. We have some king crab balls. King crab balls. You know crab cakes? Oh, got them from Costco. Cheers to my wonderful eating show. Thank you guys for being with me. My silent viewers. Oh my god, it's so good. And over here, this is some really spicy nuclear cheesy rice noodles. Ho 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 ho. Follow my Instagram at Nikocado Avocado, and if you do, I might just follow you back. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with some carbs. We're just gonna do it. Are we ready? Cheers. Mmm. 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 Mm. These are so good. Tastes like Cheez-Its. No Cheez-Its, the food. If Cheez-Its was a noodle. I'm gonna try to make a big. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know why I did that first, but I did. Cheers again. Cheez-Its. You know those Cheez-Its? They have white ones. Oh my god, I just got a flashback to pretzel goldfish. Don't even get me started. Cheers, you guys. Here's some. This here is deep fried shrimp, coconut. Oh. Now some fresh shrimp. Someone said they don't like watching me do seafood boils because it takes forever to open things. Well, I'll move fast. Look, I'm done. Look at that. Dip it in here. And today, Blove sauce has pickled ginger. See that pink stuff? Pickled ginger. It's pink for some reason. But it's really, what color is it? It's like white. Cheers. Oh, oh. Oh my god. You don't even have to fake it. That is to die for. Oh my god. Some scallops. Oh, I love scallops. Some lemon juice. Right there, dripping it on through my elbow. This is so exciting. How are you today? How are you today? That's what I say. Get over here. Bye-bye. No space for you. Oh. Oh. Where are my scissors? Here they are. I have like a million chopsticks in there too. This is good. And I'm wide-eyed. Look at me. Pumped all that salt out for my walk. I'm telling you. I always want to say, I want to do like a before and after. How to lose weight while mukbanging. People won't believe it. They'll be jealous. And watch, then I'll fail. People will be like, yeah, you actually thought you could do that. So it's kind of like hard to even mention. But I would love to lose weight while still doing mukbangs. The key to do that is lots of slow pace exercises, which burn fat. Slow and steady wins the race, you know? Oh. 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 Yeah, I want to start walking 2 hours a day, every day, and still eat to my heart's content. I think I will lose weight. I actually think I will, just from walking. Not enough people do walking. The weight loss industry doesn't want you to know that. Conspiracy. They want you to do those high intensity things, feel like you need to be pushed so you can hire the trainer. You need better shoes to do those gymnastic type exercises. You need, oh, Nike gets new sneakers sale purchases. Oh, this little thing has so much flavor. Oh. And I say, what a beautiful world. Ouch, hey, ouch, ouch, ouch. This one's very spiky, ooh. And I, ooh. Ooh. You did not hear that. I squeezed so hard I farted. Listen, look how thick this looks though, ooh. And I say, am I going fast enough for the people who say they don't like when I do seafood? What a beautiful world. Hello, hello, hello. Aww, oh. Oh, and I, oop. Oh, 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 get my lemon. Get my lemon, squeeze this, ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. And I say, what a beautiful world. I'm so happy. Am I eating the strings? Where the strings go? No, there's no string. Oh, this was the string. That's why it kept breaking. Oh. Crab cake, king crab balls. Look at these. Oh. 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 Want to fall in a hole? I love falling in holes. If I have the time for it. This is why I never sleep. Here's some potatoes. It looks like the crab balls. These are crab balls, these are potatoes. See the difference? Crab ball, potato. Crab ball, potato. So one of the holes I like to fall in is pregnancy announcement videos. Have I told you guys about this? I'm sure I have in one of the videos, maybe like a year ago. I remember telling a couple friends to get into it. I don't mean to slurp, but the ice cubes are so big. Ah, there we go. Pregnancy, look it up. Not right now. We have to talk today. We have to talk about some stuff. But, look it up. Pregnancy announcement videos. They're so funny. Oh my gosh, some people start crying, some people don't believe it, some people get angry. But there's this one that I'll never forget. It's a lady, she goes, oh, 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 like a dog howling, and it's so funny. So she gets surprised, the mother, right? And her daughter says, Mom, I'm pregnant. And she can't believe it, and she starts screaming. What is that? Cheesy fire noodles. Tastes like spicy Cheez-Its. Life is so good. Look at this little shrimp. It says, eat me. Huh. Scallop. Coconut shrimp. Oh. I'm telling you, this is unbelievably delicious. I ate my whole crab leg, except for this one little piece here. So how are you today? Again, the exercise makes me feel really happy. Yeah, exercise is the key to a lot of things. I need to do more of it, I really do. Remember, I was gonna do exercises every day. Well, with my sleeping schedule and traveling West Coast, East Coast, and all my little editing things at 4 in the morning, it's just really hard to be consistent. The only time I was consistent was when I was with my friends in Los Angeles. I feel like I need to move my friends. Well, I'm not the only one. Don't get mad at me. Hey, don't get mad at me. I know you're the same way. Maybe not you, but the person behind you. Hey, I see you hiding. Here's the thing. People more inclined to do that type of annoying, strenuous, hard exercising. Now, yes, walking's walking, but still, I don't feel like walking. Walking in a straight line on a treadmill, ugh, I have better things to do. Like, watch YouTube. You can do both, right? Anyways, the point is, whether it's easy like walking or like weightlifting, a gym buddy is really motivating. Excuse me, it's really motivating. I'm sure if Eric, there's that darn ice cube in front of my lips. There we go. I'm sure if Eric lived nearby, or if he was in the area for a long time, because he just passed right by. He literally came here. We went like 10 minutes down the road. We went to a, whatchamacallit, a cheesesteak restaurant, and then he left. No time for gym. He went to the gym by himself, but I slept in. I think it's different because, you know, he's busy, he's on tour. Ooh, I'm feeling the butter already. Ooh. I would go exercise if it was with someone. And maybe my husband and I should do it. You know, his and her. We need his and his. Orlean, would you exercise with me?
We've done that before.
Oh, that was weightlifting. You didn't like that.
Well, you're very strict.
I know. What about just walking though? Would you do daily walks with me?
Yeah, that's fine.
Here's the thing. Orlean goes to sleep. What time did you go to sleep? 8 a.m., didn't you?
8 a.m., yeah.
I wake up at like noon. We're all over the place. I need to work out as soon as I wake up or it ain't happening. It just won't happen. Once I digest this, I'm not gonna feel like moving. I have to do it first thing in the morning. He's sleeping. Oh, this is so good. We have to do this Dungeness crab. I'm a little afraid. Ouch! Ow. Okay, nice and slow. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, I splashed myself. Yeah, I'm afraid for the Dungeness crab. I don't know how to do this. It looks pretty though. Looks nice. Oh, I have to do this one too. Ouch! Ouch! Oh. And I oop! And I oop! And I oop. Is this a real person, the anti-oop woman? Or is it a man dressed up like a woman? I think it's a man dressed up like a... Don't come for me if you think if it's really a woman. I don't know. I thought it was just a man pretending to be funny. Is it a guy? Is it a woman? Orlean, is the anti-oops woman a woman or a boy or a... an actor? I thought maybe it was just an actor. And I oop, but watch, it's a real woman. Everyone's gonna hate